Oh, welcome back YouTube, and the mailman has arrived. Well, actually it wasn't the mailman, it was FedEx, so I'm lying. But saw this a few weeks back on Spirit, completely forgot about it, remembered again, ordered it yesterday morning. It's come already the next day. That's super quick shipping. And I thought I'd do an unboxing because I haven't seen any unboxing. But well, actually I haven't even looked because I didn't want to spoil the surprise. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and here we go. Whoa. And it already feels kind of not that big, but it's all good. I'm excited. I might just reach down and pull it. And I've already cheated. There he is. You ready? Coming a bit nearer. You ready for this? Some people say the stuff are nightmares. It didn't really freak me out. I just thought he was super cool looking. The big reveal. He's amazing. Look at him. Despite the sticker on his head. So yes, it's a lot smaller than I thought he was going to be, but I mean, I guess he's long. I guess the bow undoes him. I can undo the bow. Is it like tied up? Yep. Don't have to just keeping them together. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, here we go. His legs are released. Look at them feet. Little bells. Okay, you ready for this big reveal? There he is. Yeah, he's not the size he is in the movie, but he was very cool. Fluff his hair up a little bit. Beer. Is he worth 50 bucks? Not really. But he's licensed. Look, he's actually licensed. Oh, he is made by Spirit. I didn't know if he was made by Spirit. So there's his tag. Officially licensed Spirit Halloween. But yeah. He's made really nice. That face. So, what can we do? There he is. Not really much more I could show. Feel like fun bloomers on. These bits come all the way around. Yeah, he's made really nice. His hands. What is going on, guys? Lost Carton. We have a brand new hat dropping, or maybe it's already dropped. Check it out, Crappy Halloween. Pick it up. 100% DIY, it's all good. Crappy Halloween.